Good morning, this is Sarah and I'm Mary Ann, and today you're visiting with us at Houston Audubon Sims Bayou Urban Nature Center. And today we want to give you some easy tips to help create a bird-friendly backyard.
So Mary Ann, what's the most important thing I could do to support birds in my yard?
The most important thing and probably the easiest is to plant native plants. Here at the Nature Center we have a variety of trees, shrubs, grasses that really provide a great abundance of nutrient-dense food for birds throughout the entire year. We've got oak trees that provide home and are host to hundreds of species of insects that is critical for birds, especially in the spring and summer when they're raising their young and when they're migrating. We've got shrubs like this Yopon holly that is obviously full of berries right now for the winter to provide food for our winter residents and our year-round residents. We've got mulberry trees that will be full of mulberries in the springtime and provide an important food source for migratory birds. We've got native grasses to provide native grass seed to a variety of seed-eating birds, and those native grasses also provide a lot of cover and shelter for birds.
So it sounds like a diversity of native plant species is the key to a healthy habitat.
It really is, and knowing that these plants will provide food at different times of the year is really important and will bring you a great diversity of birds and other wildlife onto your property.